Hi everyone, I am Haribabu. Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about mechanics. In mechanics there are two types. One is applied mechanics and another one is pure mechanics. Let us see now. Now we will see what is applied mechanics. Applied mechanics is a branch of physical sciences and practical applications of mechanics. Within practical applications of mechanics, applied mechanics is used to identify and create new ideas and theories. Applied mechanics. Applied mechanics is a branch of physical sciences and practical applications of mechanics. Within practical application, applied mechanics is used to create new ideas and theories. Okay. Next one is pure mechanics. Let us see now what is pure mechanics and some examples. Pure mechanics is a state of change of body from a beginning state of a body, either rest position or motion position, by external force. Pure mechanics. Pure mechanics, it is a change of state of a body from beginning state of a body either in rest position or in motion by external force. Okay. For example, For example, A body is in rest position. If we apply a force externally to the body in any direction, then the body goes to motion. This is the very good example of mechanics, pure mechanics.